Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Gourmet Rasoi. So today I am going to make cheesy vegetable and rice casserole. It is a fantastic bake one pot meal with rice, vegetables, white sauce and cheese. So if you like the recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's start. First we will make butter rice mixture. For that, take butter in a pan and heat it up on a medium flame. Add salt and mix well. When the butter melts, add cooked rice in it and fry well. You can take leftover rice too. After some time, add milk and cook the rice to make it soft textured. Now add black pepper powder in it and mix well. Cook it for another 1 to 2 minutes and then keep it aside. Now we will prepare white sauce. For that, heat butter in a pan on a medium flame. Now add refined flour or maida in it. Cook it until the flour is light golden in color. Then add milk in it and stir continuously until there is no lumps and the consistency of white sauce is little thick. If you think your white sauce is more thick in consistency, add little milk and adjust it properly. Add salt and black pepper powder in it. Now add grated cheese and cook the white sauce until the cheese melts. Now the white sauce is ready. Now we will prepare vegetables. For that, heat butter in a non-stick pan on a medium flame. Then add green chilies and chopped garlic in it. After cooking it for a minute, add onions in it and saute well. When the onions turn light golden in color, add boiled carrots, boiled cauliflower, boiled French beans and blanched peas in it. Saute it well for a couple of minutes. Now add chili flakes in it and mix well. Add half portion of white sauce we made earlier and mix it well. If you think your mixture is too thick and can't spread properly on the bed of rice, add little milk in it to thin it out. Now taste it. If you feel there is less salt and pepper, then add salt and pepper in it. Now vegetables with sauce is ready. Just before serving, spread the remaining white sauce mixture evenly in a baking dish. Now on top of it, add rice layer and press it to make it even. Add the vegetable sauce on top of it. If you have any white sauce mixture left, put it in the dish. Now top it up with generous amount of grated cheese. Bake it in a preheated oven for 20 minutes at 230 degrees Celsius or till the cheese turns golden. The casserole is baked properly. Sprinkle some chili flakes over it. So this is cheesy vegetable and rice casserole. Serve it hot and enjoy. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.